Welcome back to Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn exam preparation and study words. Revise. Dohrana. Dubara parna. For example, I need to revise this chapter before the exam. Memorize. Yaad karna. For example, she memorized all the formulas. Concentrate. Tawajjuh dena. Dhyan lagana. For example, it's hard to concentrate with noise around. Syllabus. Nisab. Parne ka outline. For example, please check the syllabus for the exam. Practice test. Mashki imtihan. For example, we took a practice test yesterday. Cram. Aakhri waqt mein zyada parna. For example, he crammed all night before the exam. Understand. Samajhna. For example, now I finally understand this topic. Note-taking. Notes banana. For example, good note-taking helps you remember better. आप बताएं, आप एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कैसे करते हैं? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें